Wow.
Good morning, everyone. What's up? We have landed in Idaho. This is probably our favorite state for van life and traveling, and we're kicking it off with a gondola ride right now. Thank you.
So yeah, the ticket lady said, watch the skies because it's stormy. If there's lightning 25 miles away from here, they shut down the chairlift. So we could get stuck up there because it is supposed to thunder and lightning today around 2 o'clock. So right about the time we're going to be leaving this mountain. So we'll see what happens. There you go.
Thank you.
Ooh, yeah. Lift number 2, we're taking a chairlift to the top.
I have an abnormal fear of chairlifts. Actually, I feel fine now that we're on it, but going down, I'm not stoked, you guys. But that's exactly why I'm gonna do it.
Doesn't bother me either way.
Hike until we don't want to hike anymore.
Sure, yeah. Okay, so apparently the trail we chose to walk on is for mountain bikers only. Staff member said we're not supposed to be on this trail.
Okay, so survey says I think turn back now because we got to get back before the thunderstorms start. Otherwise, they're going to turn off the chairlift.
Yeah.
Which we could hike down, but
Storm is coming in.
Storm is a brewing.
Got real windy out.
This is not my idea of fun, guys.
Successfully came down the chairlift. Next stop, the bar.
So, ladies and gents, it looks like the gondola has stopped, and it's a pretty crazy hike down. Not that it wouldn't be doable, but when there is lightning within a 20-mile radius, they turn off the gondolas, the chairlifts, and everything. So we're just gonna wait, hang out here for a little bit. But I mean, the view is so beautiful, so I don't really care. It's so awesome. Good morning, everyone. We are headed up to a lake today. We have a really beautiful campsite, which we're going to show you a little bit later. It's a paradise here in Idaho and just in the area that we're in. It's awesome, like the Sunvalley, Stanley, Sawtooth Mountain area. It's so pretty. But we're going to head up towards more of the Sawtooth Mountain range, be among the mountains there, and we're going to Alturas Lake, so we're going to head up there. We're just kind of feeling like a need to take a swim. It's a little chilly because it's not that hot out yet. It's only noon, but the water is so clear here. It's crystal clear. It's so awesome.
Yeah, it's pretty rad.
I love it here. This is like probably my favorite place in the US is like anywhere from Sunvalley up to Sandpoint, Idaho. It's like my favorite place. It's so wild and beautiful.
coming in.
Our super lazy way of putting together our chairs since we don't want to do it.
Well, we're gonna use them again, right? So
Yeah, it's a little lazy, but whatever. This little tip, I've been making this vegan Caesar dressing. I'll probably put it on our blog for you all. It's like tahini, lemon, capers, a little bit of kelp instead of anchovies, just a little bit. I don't know, there's some other stuff, but I'll put it up on the blog for you all because it's really good. Brian's loving it lately, eh? So folks, we are back at our campsite and it is a glorious little spot to be. We've been here like 9 days. It's so awesome. Cool part about this space. So there's the space where you can completely dunk in. Hey, you wanna go for a dip?
yeah. Now my favorite part of the day,
Dip.
jumping in this river. That's our little soaking pool right there. Crystal, why don't you show them how it's done?
Oh, it's so cold. This is just heaven. This is
Van Paradise, man.
totally. Good morning, everyone. It is pretty early this morning. Today we're going paragliding, and I've never gone. Brian's never gone. Pretty stoked about it. Anyway, we're getting ready right now. I got some tea and nervous and excited. You stoked?
I'm stoked. I can see the paragliders in the air right now.
I'm so nervous. We're up there. Here we go. How you feeling?
I feel good.
I'm like so terrified right now and so excited.
There's two forms.
Okay.
Right here.
First form, self-explanatory. Front and back. You get to the second form, you can jump down to name, address, and signature down here.
Okay.
And then the rest of that, we're going to go over with you together with everybody.
Okay, cool.
It requires a little explanation now.
Okay, thanks,
All right.
Chuck.
You bet.
All right, we got our paperwork filled out.
Signing my life away.
Yeah.
Important thing is if you can reach the ground with your feet, you're supporting your weight, moving down.
So we're back to
You think you're flying?
So that means you.
You're not flying yet. Keep running.
It is official, everyone. What? Okay, so you all have to meet our friend Jake, who got us all into this. We just met Jake the other day. What's up?
Everybody.
Jake is a fellow van lifer. We just met him and his partner at our campsite the other day, and he is our instructor today.
Yeah, we're gonna fly off the mountain.
Cool.
No, it only weighs like 20 pounds. Test it. Chest strap right here.
Looking good. Looking good.
We actually have a reserve parachute on board. So that's big enough to hold both of our butts off the ground. So it's kind of like a second redundancy. It's nice and safe.
I'm stoked. I am so nervous and so excited. All at the same time.
Brian, are you ready to rock here?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Well, if you're ready, then we're gonna take 3 big steps forward. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Now run. Oh, yeah. There we go.
Wow. This is incredible.
Yeah, buddy.
Wow, this is the best feeling ever.
This is the closest that a human being can feel to bird flight, as far as I'm concerned.
Yeah.
This is incredible.
Rock a quick 360.
Sick!
What a life!
This is awesome, dude. Incredible.
It's surprisingly, it's relaxing up here, right?
Yeah, it's very relaxing.
This is just so peaceful.
Pretty awesome, huh?
Yeah, this is amazing.
Hey Brian, you like roller coasters?
Yeah. Yeah, look at them go.
Yeah,
Are they going upside down?
Yeah, yeah.
Holy jeez, that is nuts.
Let's try some of that ourselves.
Okay. Wow.
And you hit the 0G there, so.
Wow. If any of you were thinking about paragliding, I would definitely do it. Fly Sunvalley. This is incredible. Jake is an amazing pilot. I feel totally safe. At first I was pretty scared, but as soon as we started running, I was fine. Woo.
Wow.
Done? Yeah, perfect. There we go. Awesome. So good.
Weston rocked. I don't know about my landing. I'd say it was like a negative.
That was,
2.
no, you definitely got a 10. 10 out of 10.
I thought, dude, that was
That
awesome.
was so good.
Thanks, Weston.
No problem.
We're coming in for a landing. Oh,
Sneeze.
wow. That was sick.
Professional. Look at this guy.
Wow.
All right. That one.
High five.
Yes.
Yeah. That was smooth.
That was awesome.
All right. And we've successfully committed aviation.
That was so cool. How are you? Oh, you got a GoPro too. Hey,
I
what's
got a
up?
GoPro too. Hey, how you doing?
Kitty, it's your big debut. Yeah. Yeah. This is Kitty the dog. So sweet. And we got one more person I want to introduce you all to, and that is Chuck.
Hello.
Chuck is.
I owe you money. I didn't do it.
You kept us alive today.
Yeah? Well, your pilots did a good job.
Yeah, they did really good. Chuck is the owner of Fly Sunvalley.
Fly Sunvalley.
Yeah, so thanks to
Fly
him.
the skies.
It was super awesome today. You guys have to come and check it out. This is just like icing on the cake for everything that is Sunvalley. So thanks, Chuck.
You're welcome. Thanks for coming.
You all have to do it. Go do it.
Come to Sunvalley.
Everybody come to Sunvalley and fly Sunvalley. Literally, that's such a great name.
Yeah.
Such a great business name.
Yeah.
But I'm hungry. Are you hungry?
Starving.
Yeah, I'm really hungry. So we're gonna go eat.
Cool.
I think this wraps up this week's video. Hope you all enjoyed it. If you did, sure to hit the like button. Subscribe if you have not already. Hit that bell so you don't miss a notification. And we'll see you all next week. Bye.
I'm flying this thing.